Linkind 16 LED Solar Landscape Spotlights, Dusk to Dawn IP67 Waterproof Solar-Powered Spotlights, 6500K Daylight, Outdoor Wall Lights for Garden Yard Driveway Porch Walkway, 4-pack. Linkind Solar Spotlights with 16 high-brightness LED lamp beads and 90-degree beam angle produce up to 650 lumen of 6500K light output, 50% brighter than other ordinary ones. Adjustable angle of the lights and solar panel with 180-degree horizontally and 90-degree vertically. Our solar panel photoelectric conversion rate is up to 20%, highly reducing the charging time. 2 installation options and multiple uses. With specially designed ground stake and wall bracket, you can easily insert it into the ground as landscape light or fix it on the wall as wall light. Perfect for patio, porch, deck, pool, yard, garden, garage, driveway, pathway, etc. 2 brightness lighting modes, featuring low light mode, 12 hours, and high light mode, 6 hours. Linkind Dusk to Dawn Solar Landscape Spotlights can automatically detect changes in brightness of the external environment. It is auto on at night and auto off at sunrise.